Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make healthy salad dressing with Greek yogurt. This simple recipe offers a fantastic alternative to heavier dressings, providing a creamy texture with significantly fewer calories. Greek yogurt is also packed with beneficial probiotics and a good amount of protein, making your salad not just delicious, but also more nutritious. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to easily adjust flavors to your liking, and it comes together in just a few minutes. To begin, you will need 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt as your creamy foundation. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, which adds a lovely richness and healthy fats. For a bright, tangy note, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, squeeze in the juice from about 1/2 of a fresh lemon. This really helps to lift and brighten all the flavors in the dressing, making it truly vibrant. Now, let's enhance the flavor profile. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle, savory kick that complements the yogurt beautifully. For an aromatic depth, add 1 clove of fresh garlic, finely minced. Season generously with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to get creative by adding your favorite fresh herbs, such as chopped dill, chives, or parsley, to truly personalize your dressing. Making this dressing is incredibly simple. Just combine all your measured ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a splash of water or milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it's just right. Always taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Store your delicious homemade dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.